So today's topic is comparing quantities. Exercise 8.3 from NCERT. Same exercise. Question number 9. Here principal is rupees 4096. Time equal to 18 months. That is equal to 1 whole 1 by 2 year equal to 3 by 2 year. And rate of interest is given 12 whole 1 by 2%. That is equal to 25 by 2%. And interest being calculated compounded half yearly. So amount equal to P into 1 plus R by 200 whole to the power 2n equal to principal equal to given 4096 into 1 plus rate of interest R equal to 25 by 2 by 200 whole to the power 2 into n equal to 3 by 2 years. So 2 into 3 by 2. Cut these 2 and 2. 25 1 is 25, 25 8 is 200. So ultimately it is equal to rupees 4096 into 1 plus 1 by 16 whole to the power 3. And 1 plus 1 by 16 equal to 17 by 16 whole to the power 3. So 17 by 16 into 17 by 16 into 17 by 16. So its calculated value is 4913. So required amount after 18 months is rupees 4913. Next, question number 10. Population of a town is given in 2003 is 54,000 and population increase rate equal to 5% per annum. So find the population in 2001. So let the population of the town in 2001 is X. So the difference between the 2003 and 2001 in 2 years. So time equal to 2 years. So here principal equal to population in town in 2001 is equal to X. This is the principal. So if it is principal, population of the town in 2003 equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power n, where principal equal to X. What it is the population of the town in 2001. So X into 1 plus 5 by 100 whole to the power 2. This is the population of the town in 2001. And the population of the town in 2003 is P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power n. So X into 1 plus 5 by 100. Rate of increasing the population is 5 and time 2 years. So 5 1 is 5, 5 20 is 100. So 1 plus 1 by 20 equal to 21 by 20 whole to the power 2. So X into 21 by 20 whole to the power 2. This is the population of the town in 2003. So according to the condition, population of the town in 2003 in terms of X equal to X into 21 by 20 whole to the power 2, and it is given 54,000. So after simplification, X equal to 54,000 into 20 by 21 into 21 by 20 by 21. So its value is 48,979 approximately. So population of the town in 2001 is this. So population of the town in 2001 is 48,979. Next part. Population of the town in 2005, that is after 2 years, equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power n. So this is the principal 54,000. This is the population of the town in 2003, and difference between 2003 and 2005 is 2 years. So when population of the town in 2003 is 54,000, this is the principal. On this principal, population of the town in 2005 is principal into 1 plus rate of interest, increasing rate of interest is 5 by 100 whole to the power 2, because after 2 years. So 54,000 into 1 plus 1 by 20 whole to the power 2 equal to 50. Sum of these two, 1 plus 1 by 20 equal to 21 by 20 whole square. So 54,000 into 21 by 20 into 21 by 20. So its calculated value is 59,535. So population of the town in 2005 is 59,535. Now question number 12. Cost of the scooter. A scooter bought rupees 42,000. So principal is rupees 42,000. Value depreciate at the rate of 8% per annum. So after 1 year, what is the value of the scooter? So value of the scooter after 1 year equal to P into 1 minus R by 100 whole to the power n. Why minus? Because value is depreciate at the rate of 8%. That is why minus. So principal value is 42,000 into 1 minus R, rate of interest R equal to 8 by 100 whole to the power 1. So 4 2 are 8, 4 to 25 is 100. So 1 minus 2 by 25. So it is equal to 42,000 into 23 by 25, and its value is equal to 38,640. So value of the scooter after 1 year equal to 38,640. Thank you.